Hello students, in this lecture we will see more examples on addition theorem on probability. Using the addition theorem on probability, we can solve some examples here. An example is given here. Out of 120 persons in a society, 40 like Indian music, 60 like Western music and 30 like both the types of music. What is the probability that a person selected at random like both the types of music? Second one, at least one types of music. At least one types of music. One is here. At least one type of music. Third one, no music. Third one, no music. See here, 120 persons are given. Out of 120, 40 like Indian music, 60 like Western music, 30 like both the types of music. A person selected at random. What is the random experiment here? Here random experiment is a person. Here random experiment is person is selected. One person is selected. That is random experiment is selection of a one person out of 120 persons. One person out of 120 persons can be selected in 127 equal to 120 by 1 equal to 120 different ways. So n of s is equal to 120. We have to take two events. A is the event that we have taken. A is the event. We have to take A is the event that a person selected at random likes Indian music, and B be the event that a person selected at random like Western music. So therefore n of A, how many persons we have to select, in how many different ways we have to select a person which likes Indian music. Since there are 40 persons who like Indian music, so in 40 different ways we can select a person who likes Indian music. Therefore n of A, therefore this event A can happen in 40 different ways. Similarly the event B, since there are 60 persons who like Western music, therefore this event B can happen in 60 different ways. Here we have a Venn diagram. This is the whole sample spaces containing 120 persons. Out of this A, this is the set of persons who likes Indian music, and this is the set of persons who likes Western music. See here, given that first we have to take, this is the A intersection B, that is the persons liking both Indian and Western music. 30 persons are given who likes both the types of music. So first we have to write 30 here. So if this part is 30 and total is 40, total 40 is given. So number of elements in A is 40. So this part must contain 10. This 10 plus 30 is 40. Similarly, 60 likes Western music. So therefore this is 30. This part also in B, this is 30 and total is 60. Therefore in this part we have 30. Okay. So we have calculated probability of A here. Probability of A is by definition n of A divided by n of S equal to 40 divided by 120, which is equal to 4 by 12 equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Similarly, we have probability of B. Probability of B is equal to n of B divided by n of S. N of B is 60 divided by 120 equal to 6 by 12 equal to 1 by 2. Now we are going to find a person selected at random likes both the types of music. Means he likes Indian music as well as he likes Western music. So how many persons are there who likes both the types of music? 30 persons are there. So one person can be selected in 30 different ways. That is 37 different ways. That is 30 different ways. Therefore, a person like both the types of music. This is the heading. We have to solve this sub question 1. Here n of A intersection B is given 30. Therefore, a person likes both the types of music is equal to probability of A and B. A means what? A person selected at random likes Indian music, and B is person selected at random likes Western music. A and B both. So this is equal to P of A intersection B in notation. Now P of A intersection B is given by N of A intersection B divided by N of S. The N of A intersection B is 30 divided by 120. This is equal to 3 by 12 is 1 upon 4. 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. 1 upon 4. Now we are going to solve the sub question second. At least one types of music. At least one types of music. Probability of a person selected at random likes at least one type of music is equal to probability of a person likes Indian music or Western music. At least one means what? At least one means either A or B. At least A or B. Either A or B. That is P of A means what? Likes Indian music or likes Western music. This can be denoted by P of A union B. By using addition theorem on probability, we have P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So this is equal to P of A, we have already calculated 1 by 3. See here, P of A is 1 by 3. P of B is 1 by 2. And P of A intersection B is 1 by 4. So P of A is 1 by 3 plus P of B is 1 by 2 minus P of A intersection B is 1 by 4. So this is equal to just cross multiplication. 1 into 2, 2. 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 2 divided by 3 into 2. So that is 5 divided by 6 minus 1 by 4. Again, if you want, if again cross multiplication, we will get 20. 20 minus 6. 20 minus 6 is 14 divided by 6 into 4, 24. This is equal to 7 by 12. 7 2s are 2 7s are 12 and 2 12s are 24. So P of A union B is equal to 7 by 12. In this way we can solve. Now we are going to solve no music. A person selected at random likes no type of music. No music means what? No type of music means he does not like Indian music as well as he does not like Western music. That is, a probability of a person likes no type of music is equal to a person does not like Indian music. Means what? A bar. A is he likes Indian music. A bar is he doesn't like Indian music. That is the complement of A. And B bar. And B bar means what? He doesn't like Western music. P of A bar and B bar. B bar is he doesn't like Western music. So this is equal to and means intersection. So therefore P of in notation P of A bar intersection B bar. So this is equal to P of A union B bar. See here we have De Morgan's laws. Always keep in mind A union B bar is equal to A bar intersection B bar. Intersection B bar and De Morgan's laws. De Morgan's laws. That is, he doesn't like both the types of music. Means he likes none. This P of A union B bar equal to A bar intersection B bar and A intersection bar is equal to A bar union B bar. Keep in mind these two laws are. Means what? A union bar means what? He does not like at least one type of music. Means what? He does not like A and he does not like B. So P of A union B bar, A bar intersection B bar is A bar intersection B bar is A union B bar. So P of A union B bar we have. We already know that probability of an event E bar, probability of an event E bar or E complement is 1 minus P of E. 1 minus P of E. Just replace E by A union B bar. So probability of A union B bar is what? Probability of A union B bar equal to 1 minus P of A union B. We have already calculated this P of A union B bar. So this is equal to 1 minus A union B. We have calculated probability of A union B. 1 minus 7 by 2. This is equal to 12 into 1 minus 7 divided by 12. This is equal to 5 by 12. In this way we can find the probabilities. keep in mind that P of none is equal to 1 minus P of at least 1. P of none is equal to 1 minus P of at least 1. This is the formula for calculating P of none.